that I have been wanting to try for ages. It's a rhubarb and raspberry crumble. The rhubarb has this really nice kind of sour flavor, and the raspberries in it kind of smoothen the edge of the rhubarb. And then there are these nice buttery kind of breadcrumbs on top of it. And we're gonna pour custard or cream or something like that over it in the end. So all you need is 75 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pound of rhubarb, and 6 ounces of raspberries, along with a mixing bowl and a whisk. So let's get to work. You need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. So the first step is to spoon all of your flour into a bowl and then add slivers of butter and mix with your hands until a mixture like fine breadcrumbs form. Then you add some brown sugar and you mix that in as well. Put the crumble into the oven and you let it bake for half an hour or until the top is nice and golden and the fruit and veggies are just oozing out from underneath the crumble mixture. I'm so excited to try this. Let's see what's baking. Oh, and look at that delicious crumble. And when I opened the oven, there was this blast of smells coming right at my face. The melting butter, the sugar on the crumble, and the raspberries. The fruity smell of the raspberries. It smelled so good. And then we'll put some ice cream on this and it'll taste amazing. This meal is bound to become a family favorite, so let's sit down and enjoy.